Hello everyone. I'd like to give you a quick example of what would happen to a tree if it had some metal on it and was struck by lightning. So you can see right here, there's this bit of a metal chain right there, and there's this black char going all the way down the tree trunk here. You can get the focus on it there, that's probably a little better. This black line all the way down from that metal piece. And then we get right here where it's bleeding out the tree. Still black all the way down to the ground. Done a number to the poor thing. Alright, that's all. Bye-bye.